We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can check the serial number of this DJI RSC 2 gimbal. So there are ultimately two ways you can do that, either through the gimbal itself or its dedicated running app. So the gimbal method needs you to launch settings, then find the advanced options. Next, scroll all the way to the bottom and open the other parameters. Here, go for the device information, and here's your SN or serial number. On the running app, you'll need to obviously launch the app first. Then here, tap at these three vertical lines, go into device list. Well, not the firmware, so as I said, device list, and here's the Gimbal SN as well. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.